Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide likes on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to hide likes on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to hide the likes. And after you log in into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icons with our small profile picture. Just below the messenger icon, tap on that three-lined icons. And over here guys, again at the top right corner of the screen there is the settings icon. Tap on over there, scroll down from over here, and here you can see on the preferences category the reaction preferences just below the news feed. Tap on reaction preferences, and over here guys it says hide number of reactions on posts from others or on your post. If you want to hide the number of reactions including likes from others posts or the things that post on other, then toggle this icon on and tap on this, and the number of likes on others post will be hidden. But if you want to hide likes on your post or any number of likes and reaction on your post, tap on this toggle icon where it says the on your post, and then the likes will be hidden on your Facebook. And guys, this is how to hide likes on Facebook. And if you have any comment or confusions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.